Ассалаумағалейкум достар. Сендермен бірге мирас тизер. Сендермен екінші миссияны орындап көрейік. Подписаться етіңіз, лайк қойыңыз. Екінші миссия уже бірінші миссияны аяқ. Мына райдердің несі.
Hey, show me how they drive on the East Coast, homie.
Hey, Reese still run the barbershop?
Like a raggedy ass motherfucker. He popped his membrane years ago. The way I let that old fool in my head.
Yeah, I think I'll get cut up.
Whatever. You got 5 minutes?
Fantastic!
I'll be cutting you like a DJ. So when you running off again?
I'm not. I'm thinking of staying.
Why?
My family, the homies is here.
We were always here, fool.
Yeah, but now I'm back, and I know what I've been missing.
Don't expect me to kiss your ass or nothing.
Sit down, CJ. You wanted him. Look at you, all grown up and shit. Hope you stick around longer this time.
Shit! I told you he was crazy. Man, you jacked up. Man, what's this? Shit look ridiculous. No respect for the hood. All clean as shit. Looking too skinny, CJ. I want to get us something to eat. I'm gonna finish this. Then I'm gonna take care of business.
What? Oh, what would you like? Have a well-stacked day. This pizza parlor's no pushover.
What you waiting for, fool? Take us back to the Grove, motherfucker. Better drop by and see Sweet. He's been yapping on about that graffiti too. Later, homie.
Подписаться, лайк қойыңыздар.